Jake Paul merch, link in bio. Ohio Fried Chicken bitch, we made this in one day. Tricky Rick Bobby Slick. Ohio boys, let's hit it. Honky donk tonky tonk. Ohio Fried Chicken is what it's called. I got my truck, yeehaw, my overalls, just me and my boys mocking fried chicken. Y'all Kentucky can't compete, no, OFC eat. Woo, sweep you off your feet, yeah, please look up to me, we'll tell you what to do. Treaters the move. Get yourself some sauce, yeah, you a boss. OFC, that's how we're living. Come around town, you'll find me sitting your pretty girl with on care, no problem in the world, not even her hair. I think I found what I finally need: chicken and a girl that's nice and thick, and slow it down or speed it up. I'm walking my way to Ohio Fried Chicken, bitch. Honky donk tonky tonk. Ohio Fried Chicken is what it's called. I got my truck, my overalls, just me and my boys mocking fried chicken, y'all. They said I wouldn't make it, now my chicken's naked and my truck is lifted. Shout out to Mon Pops, love you. I got my piggy, oink. I got my goat, N-E-E-E, but I still need a little boat, row row. I wanna make my family proud. I just wanna sell out a crowd. I need a girl, okay, who's down to ride. Let's go, working all day, that's that Ohio Pride. Honky donk tonky tonk. Ohio Fried Chicken is what it's called. I got my truck, my overalls, yeehaw, just me and my boys mocking fried chicken, y'all, yeah. Hi baby. Trio is rolling up. Represent your country. We're here. Merch, link in bio. You need to cop that shit quick. But didn't we grow up in the suburb? That doesn't matter, bro. Shut up, dude. Don't talk about that shit. My friends are gonna make fun of me. My bad. My bad. Oh shit. Sorry. Alright. It's everyday, bro. Peace.